What's up, guys? I'm going to be installing these LED taillights on my 2004 Wrangler today. Pretty easy install. All you need is a ratchet, Phillips head screwdriver, and the included flasher to make them work properly. These are from Quadratec. They plug into your factory harness. They look factory, but they're not. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. It's an inexpensive way to freshen up the looks of your TJ or YJ. So stay tuned. Plug in the new flasher that comes with the taillights, and you're done. Here's all the different phases of the taillight: brake, reverse light, turn signals, hazards. You can find these taillights and tons of other products for your Jeep over at quadratec.com.